Solar power is no longer the future, it's the present. With rising electricity costs and growing interest in clean energy, solar panels have become one of the smartest investments for homeowners, RV travellers and off-grid adventurers. Now in today's video from Global Deal Explorer, we're counting down the top 5 best solar panels of 2026 that deliver power, reliability and excellent value. Starting our list at number 5 is the RVPOZWER 200 watt monocrystalline solar panel. A solid choice for RV owners and off-grid explorers. This 12 volt panel uses 18 BB high efficiency monocrystalline cells designed to capture more sunlight and produce reliable power even in less than perfect conditions. Its rugged build makes it perfect for boats, caravans and remote energy setups where durability matters. At number 4 we have the 500 watt flexible solar panel kit designed for versatility and DIY energy systems. And this kit supports 12 volt and 24 volt systems, making it ideal for cars, boats, balconies and even small home setups. Because it's flexible and lightweight, installation becomes quick and easy, even on curved surfaces. Coming in at number 3 is the 19.8 volt 200 watt glass rigid solar panel built for reliability and weather resistance, with its waterproof monocrystalline design. This panel performs well in outdoor environments like camping sites, cabins and RV setups. If you want dependable performance in tough conditions, this panel delivers excellent durability. Our runner-up is the 200 watt flexible solar panel for campervans, a portable green energy solution perfect for mobile lifestyles. Its slim design allows it to fit perfectly on campervan roofs, sheds and small off-grid systems. For travellers who rely on solar energy while exploring the open road, this is a fantastic option. And taking the number 1 spot on our list is the 18 volt flexible monocrystalline solar panel system, with options ranging from 125 watts up to 1000 watt system kits. This panel offers powerful scalability for homes, RVs and boats. If you're looking for maximum versatility and serious energy production, this system stands out as the best overall solar panel option for 2026. Solar technology keeps getting better every year, and the panels on this list prove that clean energy can be powerful, affordable and accessible. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and global deals. This is Global Deal Explorer, helping you find the best products worldwide.